So changing the rate from 16% to 8% for fuel, you go to item management, press on item, you choose your item, whichever item represents fuel for you. So for this case, this is fuel. You check the tax type, and then you change. It was from 16, you change all the way to VAT 8%. Okay, and then you save the item. So now whenever you use this item on a sale, you go back. Whenever you use this item for a sale, it will now be on 8%. So I'm making a normal sale. When you choose your item, for this case fuel, you will find that it is now on 8%. You can also change it here. You can keep your item as it is, and then while doing a sale, you will be coming here on the tax type every time you change from 16 to 8%.